I need peace. I need love. I need everything coming from above. I don't think that's how it go. Yes, sir. All right, so we are eating. What are we eating today? We are eating these Budak noodles. Yeah, baby, they are hot. I tried the black ones, about died because I'm not a spice head, but sheesh. And guess what we did tonight? We made it through 12 hours. About died, y'all. When I tell you, I got so sleepy. But I started watching a good movie, and I'm gonna continue watching it now. But
Forecast, plenty of sunshine through today. We should reach our normal high. Cloudy and windy today with gusts up to 40 miles. Showers and thunderstorms today.
don't even ask. I know I look crazy, but today is actually Thursday. I think it's the actual 9th, 2025. Good morning. I look real crazy. I've been up for about an hour now, trying not to get no coffee. I almost got me a caramel frap, but I didn't. Or actually, what was I about to get? Was that a caramel macchiato? I don't remember what I was about to get, but I think it had coffee in it. I can't remember what I wanted, but I just did a little DoorDash for some Papa John's. If you know about Papa John's, it's so good. Like, I just like it because I like Pizza Hut. Used to be my top. My mom used to always get it for us, but it's just so greasy. But as I always start videos off, is hey, it's your girl DeeDee. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to like and do subscribe if you're new. And if you've already been here, hey love, what's good? Good to see you another day. I hope y'all are good, but yeah, like I said, just to let y'all know, I'm waiting on my man to get home from prison. I am a mom, if you did not know that. I have 9 children. Well, I'm pregnant with my 9th. I actually lost one, so I've been pregnant 10 whole times, y'all. I'm not even joking, at the age of 34. So yeah, other than that, I'm a mom. I kind of lost my place, lost my car, all that went bad. And now I'm building everything back up with Christ first. So this is a journey in my real life. Just my channel ain't nothing hype, ain't nothing exciting. This is just my life, okay? To me, I like my life is exciting and hype to me. But we do got a lot of stuff going on this week or in this vlog because y'all just gonna see. I ain't gonna say too much, but just stick around. Really, it'll be a nice hot shower, clean my body, get ready for the next day, get all the energy off from the last night or the last day, and start fresh, get cute, get real pretty, and do my makeup and all that good stuff, depending on how I feel. Because some days your girl will not be. Oh, look. I gotta get my back to my, I need to go find new face products, y'all, or something. Because this can't be happening. That is just not cute. Like, I don't even know what I did. Besides not properly washing my face after makeup, and I know better. But honestly, I just use soap. I don't use nothing crazy, y'all. Especially, like, my skin and hair has been real nice since I've been pregnant with a boy. It's just something about my boy babies. When I have girls, I be a hot mess. Then when I have boys, I be feeling good, skin be clear. But this is so unacceptable. Anywho, I'm going to show y'all the food when I get it. And I just literally got, it's like a deal at Papa John's. You get 2 pieces for the price of one. Or so, yeah, buy one, get one free. And I just got mushroom, sausage, and pepperoni on it. And I'm ready to smash. Other than that, I tried some juice. It's okay. I've seen somebody trying it on here, and it's okay. I feel like it's good for me being pregnant. It's not my favorite. I'm a, like, white grape juice girl. So, and grape. Yeah, grape. I like grape juice, any type of white grape, whatever. But, all right, y'all, I'm finna just chill. And then I cannot wait to show y'all the stuff I ordered. And then I'm going to be ordering something else. I can't wait. And I still got to get my daughter's hair braided. I asked her, could I push it back? Because I needed to get some very important things. So, this week. So, just know I had to tell her, don't be mad. I pushed her hair date back to a Wednesday coming up. So, yeah, you guys. Other than that, I got like, I'm going to go do some counseling and stuff just to do it because I have to do it part of something I'm doing for my kids. So yeah, you guys, I gotta go get some counseling going on, which is, I don't really want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. And yeah, dang, I really can talk a lot. That's one thing about YouTube. If you can talk a lot, you great for YouTube. You ain't got nothing to worry about. But all right, I'm gonna see y'all when the food get here. Got that PA. See, this is the deal I told y'all about the 2 or the 1. I might take something to work because it's too much to eat, but yep. All right, time to take these. I hate taking prenatal pills, but I have to for the baby. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Pizza was so good. All right, y'all. I'm so sorry that I look so crusty, dusty, musty, but I ate. It was just too good. So I'm gonna take some for work for lunch. So I need to get ready to. I'm going to actually go back to sleep, watch some YouTube, go back to sleep, probably play a few games on my phone, and then try to get some water into my body, and then just rest. I'm gonna relax, and then around. It's currently like I want to say like 12 a.m. I mean, not 12 a.m. It's 12 in the afternoon. And yeah, I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna start getting ready at like 1 or 2 for work. Put my wig on, do a little bit of makeup, get myself together, make myself look more awake, and then so I can stop looking like a bum. But yeah. I'll be back, y'all. All right, so we are eating. What are we eating today? We are eating these budak noodles. Yeah, baby, they are hot. I tried the black ones, about died because I'm not a spice head, but sheesh. And I got my water. But look how cute the packaging is. I never realized how cute, like with the heart, so cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all with me today. I got work later. I'm up. I just woke up, did like a late night shift last night. I worked 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. So today I'm gonna work a third. Weekends I work third. So yeah, you guys, let's see what we're doing today. This is a continuation from. I don't even gotta tell y'all that. I look crazy. I always look crazy. Look, I'm pregnant. I'm always look crazy. When I go out in public, I try to look nice, okay? I do gotta work tonight, so I'm just chilling right now. Just got the TV, and my dad-in-law helped me set it up. Bought this TV. So just ordered like a mattress, and I would get like a bed and all that, but I'm not gonna do all that because I'm trying to get my own place. Y'all know that when the price tags, I feel like it's almost there. We're getting closer and closer. I have to do like a background check, and then I'm going to apply for the apartments and pray that I get an apartment, y'all. It's time. All right, I love y'all. Peace. Dad-in-law hooked it up. What I am eating as a 18-week pregnant mom and fiance. Thank you, dad-in-law. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Look like a straight off the restaurant, fresh off the grill. Man, I'm loved. All right, hey y'all. Guess what time it is? Time for us to get ready for work. It is like 9 o'clock on the dot. I gotta be at work at 10, so I'm gonna go get ready. Then go get washed up and dressed. See, I'm just starting my day, third shift on weekends. So watching me some YouTube. So let me go get ready, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. We're gonna get ready to head out. Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl DeeDee, 18-week pregnant mom and fiance. I am gonna go to work for third shift, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing for work. I slept the whole day, just woke up, but really gotta go soon, so let me hurry up. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Don't mind the background. I have my cheap $5 crocky things on, mom jeans, dress, but I got it like a sweater because it just now got cold. Cute cross necklace and my cute earrings, purse, Michael Kors, of course, my aunt got me, and got my band on. Just, I don't know. But yeah, you guys, this is what I'm wearing as a third shift caretaker. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Have a good night. Okay, you guys, what's good? Just got off exhausted when I tell you this was my first night, like doing it by myself, caretaking, and I think I did good. They said I did really good. I just took a lot of extra hours for the holidays. Since I am pregnant, I can't really do much being pregnant, and I'm really just on my paper chase, y'all. Like I said, I'm trying to get a place, so this week should be a good week. Just trusting in God. Let's just say that. Walking by faith. Not by sight, but by faith. Other than that, yeah, I did a third shift, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So now tonight it'll be 12 hours, my first 12-hour shift. So yeah, cool guapi money. But yeah, I love y'all, and I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Have a good night. What's good, y'all? We made it off. I gotta get off here because it's copyright. Hold on, let me turn this down. But it's a good word. Message is on. Y'all, I did it. 12 hours. We did it. I am so tired. When I tell you, thank you, Jesus, I made it. I'm tired. I'm finna go to the crib and go to bed. I'm gonna talk to y'all like 10 hours. I'm off today. Hallelujah. Happy Sunday. Praise the Lord. Okay, so hey, y'all. Guess what we did tonight? We made it through 12 hours. About died, y'all. When I tell you, I got so sleepy. But I started watching a good movie and I'm gonna continue watching it now. But man, I'm very thankful for my job. I like it. But 12 hours, I have to get back used to that. Cause mind you, I come from the post office and every day was 12 hours except Sundays. Then I'm from Amazon and I would be the type to take all hours. So hey y'all, what's good? Your girl made it out of work. It was a whole 12 hours. I'm proud of myself because I wanted to go to sleep so bad, but I couldn't. I got the job done. And I found a good movie that I am gonna continue watching right now. I'm very tired though. I know I'm gonna fall asleep. But happy Sunday, y'all. I'm so happy I made it through my first 12 hours. It's real easy. It's just you get bored. Like your clients are sleeping, so you just have to check on them, clean up at night and all that. But I'm very thankful. It's real easy. Other than that, hold on. Show y'all the baby. My big stomach is huge. And yeah, y'all. Oh yeah, I might as well take my prenatal pill while I am up. Let me see if I can prop this up so I can actually take my prenatal pill. It looked really blurry. Wait, hold on. Oh shoot, I was trying to find a place to prop this up. Okay, hold on. The quality looked bad, but oh well. I'm gonna take my prenatal pill real quick before I get too comfortable and go to sleep. So I have to take this for the baby. Oh shoot. I had to take this pill for the baby. I am about 5 months. I'm really like 18 weeks and we go off my last period. I'm sure I got pregnant like literally 2 weeks after my last period. I was pregnant right on the money. So that's how I knew I was pregnant. My period stopped. So yeah. But I thought I was, but then when I found out my period ain't come, because my period always comes on time every month. Yeah, you guys. So but yeah, I'm about to talk to y'all later on today. It is Sunday. Normally I would go to church, but I'll be so tired by the time Sunday comes. I'll probably do my own Bible study when I wake up. I do not like taking pills. And also, I talked to my man last night. He called me a lot. I talked to him, and it was good to hear from him. I like to talk to him. But I miss him. He's so sweet. When he wanted to be very sweet, sweetheart. But definitely got a mouth too. But I have a mouth too. I can talk stuff too. But yeah, other than that, I love y'all. And I'm going to talk to y'all later on today. Bye. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? I just woke up, talked to my dad-in-law for a little bit, ate some breakfast, which was 2 breakfast sausage and egg cheese sandwiches with strawberries and orange juice. So that was real good. I feel good. I feel like I got some energy. Since I got off work at like 6, I do not need to take another prenatal pill. Right now, I'm in the space I am using for now, thanks to my dad-in-law. I ordered a couple things. Yeah, so we are finna do laundry. What's we gonna do today? I am just chilling. I worked all third shift this weekend. I wore out. So now I am off. Sundays and Tuesdays I'm off. And yeah, I'm watching me some fall YouTube videos, of course, cleaning videos, cooking, all that, decorate, shower routines. I'm actually working on my shower routine video as we speak. I just gotta figure out. I'm so happy about just being able to shop again and get back into my girly era. I'm so happy. I don't understand. Just the small things. It's always the small things. But we're gonna fold these clothes, and between me and my man, I don't have no room. So, and he really ain't got no clothes anymore. He gave all his stuff away, trying to be nice to people. Like now, we got to start over though. So that's probably what we're gonna do. Oh, my lips are crusty. I look crazy. But yeah, y'all. So let's get to folding these clothes. Plans are fold clothes. Watch YouTube, of course. Post this little video. My videos ain't really much, but I like my videos. So, oh yeah, try to straighten my hair. I already washed it up under this wig. Ew. Try to straighten my real hair out. Now, I am still gonna wear my wig, but I want to still take care of my hair. It needs to get taken care of. All right, y'all. Let me shut up because I don't even know what I'm talking about. Let's start folding these clothes. So, yeah. I have to work with this small little thing. But dad-in-law gave it to me, so I'm going to make do. I got some stuff look a little crazy in here, but I have to get a bed and stuff like that. You know, I'm trying. So, yeah. Other than that, All right, let's get the folding. Okay, so I'm gonna fold close. Yeah. I don't like this angle. I kind of want it so y'all can actually see me putting the stuff in the drawer. So I'm gonna just be sitting right here. I'll just switch the angles out somehow. Trying to think what video editor thing I could use to transfer back and forth. I don't know how I could. I think I got away. I pretty much got away. So we are going to. I think I got away for us to just to do two different angles. So hopefully I don't run out of room. So let me get this phone set up too. I'm gonna put on some music in the background. Some like gospel music, of course. 'Cause I don't listen to secular music anymore. What is his name? Caleb, Fruits of Our Labor. That's one of my favorite songs.
Yes, he said, if it don't make dollars, don't make sense to the kingdom, that's facts. I only focus on the track. If I lose it all, now I know it can give me the food that you can't. Only your train.
Forecast, plenty of sunshine through today. We should reach our normal high. Cloudy and windy today with gusts up to 40 miles. Showers and thunderstorms today with strong southwesterly wind.
A Terry bag. Shop now at Coach. The Starfleet Academy trailer starts now.
It'll keep you warm at night.
I've been looking for you ever single day. For the last 15 years. Come with me to Starfleet Academy. The Federation will help you. Being a cadet in Starfleet Academy means being open to the people around you. I'm Sam. Sometimes I feel invisible or mostly awkward.
Show me your weapon of this. Finally, we're either the center of the universe or we're nothing.
Warrior does not let a friend face danger alone.
There's nothing like getting away from stuff, letting someone in. That's so hard.
If I lose control, I can hurt people.
Doesn't scare me.
It is coming with a big red bubble just for you.
And I do have some other drawers like to use too, but they are pretty full. So,
Lesson in this place?
but all right, y'all. I'm literally just fold these clothes and I'll be back. I need peace. I need love. I need everything coming from above. I don't think that's how it go.